Hello YouTube, Dion from M.A.D with the unboxing of Trust Lava USB clip-on microphone. It has 1.8 meters long cable and it seems like a good bargain since this will make you look like an anchorman, and it also combines an USB port and an audio jack. But let's open the box. Inside the box we'll find the microphone itself. We should be really gentle while we are taking this off from the packaging. We don't want to cut the cord. And okay, here is also a carrying pouch. I wasn't expecting that. And inside there seems to be some kind of extra accessories. Okay, now I'm kind of impressed because don't only have one extra foam. Let me open it for you and show it. Here we have a USB adapter that combines an audio in and an audio out port, so you can connect your headphones and your microphone. And here we have another pop filter, a foam that will protect your microphone. Well, the carrying pouch is a really big plus for carrying this microphone around. And let's check the microphone itself. This is a lavalier type microphone with this clip-on for your shirt or your t-shirt, with an audio jack and a really long cable. Trust is advertising this package as a startup streaming package, and I can agree, this is a really good value for money starter kit for live streams. And here we have the quick installation guide that shows how to install your microphone. And here you can see how a microphone is actually connected to your PC. And here we have also another documentation about the warranty and other stuff. This was the unboxing of Trust Lava USB microphone. From M.A.D. Thank you for watching.